Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Conrad K Sangma Khasi baar Plie ke Block Integrated Development Complex ke thymmai Pynursla C&RD Block East Khasi Hills District jingdonlang Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong. Habakran jingdonlang Myntri Rangbah ai ke jingero yaki officer bat yaki nong tre jong ke Pynursla C&RD Block bat yaka snong ke thau halor ke jing IT ke jong ki ben Pynurlong yakani ke project. Myntri Rangbah ulaong ke jinggentiu bat ke jingsnap pinbhai ke office trekam mat ke bakilabu hakmat nadu bala thau ke sarkar MDA house nem 8000 khat phra. Ulaong bawat laki skim kin kala ke thonggolomon pintikina baki skim ki badan lupa kiri ben poisi ki pajba hakalinti ke berhenti bat ke bapaka kenang baka jingtrekam kenong ke bapiang bha. Ulaong baki buon hi na ki sapundu tili ki block offices ki badan hakeleng ke Meghalaya ki laduna ha ke jingdon ya ki jingdon kam ki babiang ha ke babun ki latrekam na ki jaka ki bashipor ni ha ke jingtei ki blajot lasniu.
We were very clear in our direction and in our sense of administration and purpose that we needed to ensure that our delivery mechanism should improve. What I mean by that is that while the schemes may not change or we may not get new schemes, but ensuring that the existing schemes reach the public in a more efficient manner so that the same schemes can be more effective at the grassroots was really one of the key targets or objectives with which we started our government in the MDA-1 in 2018. And it is then that we started the thought process of ensuring that the administrative infrastructure for public delivery must be improved. As you all know, most of the blocks, the 46 blocks which were there before, most of them did not have a permanent structure. Some of them had been constructed 20-30 years back, they were in dilapidated condition. And hence, one of the first targets was, let us give a new block office to every block. Something that had not been done for the last 30 years, 40 years in some cases. I was in Umling block the other day to inaugurate the Umling block. You'll be surprised to know that it was functioning from 2 rooms. Just 2 rooms were there. Old kind of a building with no infrastructure, no facilities. And for 40 years, the people of Umling were being served and block officers and other officials were working from those places. So like that in many locations, there was no full-fledged building. Wherever there were blocks, I think all the officials from the blocks will tell you that 3-4 different departments or programs were being run from the same room. So in the same table, you would find 4, 5, 6 programs, all officers in that one room and public coming from all different villages and nobody knows what's happening. So now that we have these block offices, and you'll be happy to know, it's the same design in all 46 blocks. All 46 blocks, the same design. And more importantly, as I said, we have sanctions for all 46 blocks. 10 new blocks were created, so we have 56 blocks now. All 56 blocks now, the building construction work either is going on, inaugurated, or is in the process of being tendered out and being, the construction started. So we expect that within a year or maximum 2 years' time, all the blocks will have a new block office.
Ready? Wait. Good luck. Good? Yeah. Nicely you did. Yes, sir. One, two. Chalo. We'll just enter the video room. Just see there. How can we become functional? We should immediately. within the next 1 month. Within this month.